Dawn from Virginia. Go ahead, Dawn. Dawn?
I wanted to. Hello?
Yeah, go ahead, Dawn.
Okay. I wanted to find out what kind of maybe lifestyle requirements and such the Samaritan's Ministries might have. I mean, for example, I'm about 50 pounds overweight, so I'm not at my healthiest weight, but I don't have any major health issues. How do you handle those kind of situations?
Great question,
Sure.
Dawn.
We ask all members to abide by biblical health practices, but we leave that up to the local church and the local individual to decide what those are. We don't have any rules and regulations surrounding, how many calories you eat or anything else. We don't gather any weight statistics for our members, and so your share would be exactly the same as anyone else. We have they call it an epidemic. I think we have a sedentary lifestyle in the United States right now that lends itself toward most people being overweight. I would admit to being overweight myself, and something we can continually battle with. But the lifestyle requirements we have is you have to attend church 3 out of 4 Sundays, weather and health permitting. Your pastor signs off to your application. You have to abstain from illegal drugs. You have to not abuse alcohol, tobacco, and you have to abstain from sex outside of a biblically defined marriage. And so those are the behavioral guidelines that the members all agree to. But again, those are all, if there's any enforcement, it all happens at the local church. We can't see 36,000 families and try to enforce lifestyle choices.
Great.
The local church is the place God does that.
Great question, Dawn. Thank you for that, James. I sure appreciate you being with us.